My name na Sketel. I be multimedia designer with 25 years experience. But my problem be say I no sabi generate idea for my design. Wait. Generating ideas for your design shouldn't be hard. I have a process you can always trust. First thing you want to do is to get a creative brief. You can also make use of a questionnaire. Questionnaire is a list of questions you get to ask your client about their brand story, brand objectives, that's their mission and vision statement, the brand attributes, the target audience, right? So once you get that, then this will lead you into strategy. One of the brand I worked on. So how did I generate idea for this logo? After understanding the brief, so the first thing I did was that I focused on climate change. My focus was on climate change. Then I went online to understand what climate change really is. One thing you want to take note of is that you get your information from the right sources. I went on again to search for elements of climate. I wasn't satisfied with the result I got. I went further to search more, and then I thought of searching for elements of the earth, because the elements of nature are different from chemical elements. They represent the basic elements that are required for life to sustain. We have 12 elements of nature here, that is the earth, water, wind, fire, thunder, ice, force. We also have the plants. Then after this, I moved on to creating a mood board. This is my mood board. So the first one, we have the sun, the energy, we have recycling, we have the plant, the leaf, we have the earth, we have cloud, we have water, we have the tree, and this is for growth. Tree also represents growth. Then the air, the wind, it also generates energy. The next phase now is to sketch the logo by incorporating these elements that I picked together. This will help me create a distinct and memorable logo. So this is what I have after the sketch. So you can see the elements, the earth element, the water. We have combination of everything here. So let's take a look at it. And then finally, we have the logo from this to this. With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you.